Hi, my name is Heidi Juliana Morales Galindo, and today I am going to tell you about my weekend program. My weekend program, I start today and 6:30 from Monday to Sunday. I bet 7 I don't have class on Mondays, so she clean the house and I go to the gym from 9:30 to 11 o'clock. When I get home, I start doing homework. Um, at the university from 11 to 12:30. I live in work. At 6 o'clock in the afternoon from 7 o'clock to 8:30 then more work. Finally in bed. Have dinner and go to bed and the clock at night. On Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I have on Tuesday from 9 o'clock from clock o'clock um, o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Wednesday, um, Wednesday are from 2 o'clock in the afternoon until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Afternoon Thursdays, afternoon Tuesdays are from their 3 o'clock in the afternoon until 6 o'clock. At night and only on Friday. I had class from 10 o'clock in the morning until 12 and 10. I learned English I class from 6 o'clock in night until 7 o'clock at night. I go to the gym. I go to the gym from Monday to Saturday. On Saturday, I go to cruise from 4 o'clock in the afternoon until 6 o'clock of at night. There is a enjoy service and I share with my friends from. In short, on Sunday, I also go to shoot from 8 o'clock in the morning until 11:30 in the morning. Take a short time with my family. We go out to head or walk from a walk to nearby towns. This is my dad's explain my weekend schedule. Thank you.